Hi everyone, thank you for joining me again on my luxury item review channel. Today we will be having a look at a special item, which is a purchase I made as an early birthday present for my wife. And this first video will be the unboxing of such, and the video to follow, if you stay tuned, will be a full review of the bag. Now the box, in standard Louis Vuitton fashion, when it gets shipped to you, obviously come in quite a unsuspecting box, as you can see here. And there we have it. A beautiful Louis Vuitton box, as expected by the atelier. Got the pouch with relevant documentation contained. Comes obviously with the box that the item's in, as well as a Louis Vuitton carry bag. Now the box, designed specifically for these sorts of handbags. In normal Louis Vuitton fashion, you'll be greeted by a canvas duff cover. Inside of that, you will have the beautiful Louis Vuitton Neverfull Empreinte leather with this embossed design on the outside here. You got the standard LV logos around the outside, LV imprinted 3 times across the front. That's it for this video. Stick around and you will be able to view my full review of this bag as well following this video. Thanks for watching.